Today I am making keema matar or ground turkey with peas. You can use any kind of meat, beef or mutton or chicken. I prefer to use turkey. So let's get started. I have chopped 3 tomatoes here, 3 large tomatoes, and I am slicing the rest of the onions. I'm going to turn on my instant pot, add the onions to the oil, stir it a little bit. We are going to saute till they are golden brown. They've started to soften here. Almost there. There we go. So the onions are quite brown now. I've added the tomatoes to it. We are going to cook till the tomatoes soften a little bit more. Keep it on a low to medium heat so you don't want the onions and the tomatoes to burn. Add all the spices: ginger, garlic, garam masala, turmeric, salt, coriander powder. And of course the ingredients are in the description, so please do look it up. Once all the spices are blended, as you can see here, the tomatoes are soft, spices are well blended, the oil has started to separate from the side. We are going to cool it a little bit and then use a blender to just so that the gravy is a little smooth. You don't have to, it can still be the same and taste as good. I like to have it a little bit more blended. Add your peas. Just cook it for a little bit just so the peas become a little bit softer. That's because the turkey does cook fast, so we don't want the peas to be uncooked when we're eating it. Add your turkey, a little bit of water, mix it well. You don't want a lot of water in there because the turkey is also going to release its own water. If it is meat, you might have to add a little bit more water because that does not contain as much. So I have set it here for about 45 minutes, and here is what it looks like after the 45 minutes. So it does look a little bit wet. It does have more water than I expected. So I'm going to saute it for another 15 minutes or so till the water dries up and it's good to eat with either roti or naan. You can even serve it over rice. So as you can see here now, it is ready. You don't want it too dry either. You want a little bit of moistness. That's how I prefer it. If you have any further questions, please do write in the comments and let me know how you liked it.